viewers, after Rajnath Singh, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari has called out the bully Trump. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari has criticized countries that engage in dadagiri or bullying on the global stage, attributing their behavior to economic strength and technological superiority. He emphasized the need for India to boost its exports, reduce imports and strengthen its science and technology sector to become self-reliant. Further, he added that if India gets better technology and resources, we will not bully anyone because our culture teaches us that world welfare is paramount. So very, very strong statement coming in from Union Minister Nitin Gadkari there after Prime Minister Modi and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has, of course, said the same against Donald Trump. Let's listen in to what exactly Nitin Gadkari had to say.
देश की प्रगति और विकास का जो दर है और 3 गुना बढ़ेगा और अगर हमारा एक्सपोर्ट बढ़ेगा, इकोनॉमी और ग्रोथ रेट बढ़ेगा, तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि हमें किसी के पास जाना पड़ेगा। आज जो दादागिरी करते इसलिए कर रहे कि वो आर्थिक दृष्टि से संपन्न है। दादागिरी इसलिए करते हैं कि उनके पास टेक्नोलॉजी है। अगर उनसे अच्छी टेक्नोलॉजी और रिसोर्सेज हमारे पास आएंगे तो हमें दादागिरी नहीं करनी है। हमारी संस्कृति तो ये कहती है कि विश्व का कल्याण हो। हमारे कोई इसमें हमने ये नहीं कहा कि मेरा कल्याण पहले करो, बाद में विश्व का कल्याण करो।
More breaking news coming in, viewers. Karnataka, Maharashtra and Haryana poll bodies have sent fresh notice to Rahul Gandhi over his voter fraud claims. The poll bodies have given Rahul Gandhi a 10-day deadline to either show proof of his claims and sign a declaration under oath. Poll bodies have written to Rahul seeking documents to back his allegations on voter fraud during Lok Sabha elections. Big breaking news coming in where Rahul Gandhi constantly facing the ire of election commissions, state election commissions, and it is this time Karnataka, Maharashtra and the Haryana poll bodies who have sent fresh notice to Rahul Gandhi over his voter fraud claims, and that the bodies have in fact asked Rahul Gandhi to sign a declaration and show proof, and deadline of 10 days in order to prove his claims under an oath and sign a declaration. They've also written to Rahul seeking documents to back his allegations on the voter fraud during Lok Sabha elections. So their 10-day deadline to Rahul Gandhi, will have to wait and watch the response coming in from Rahul Gandhi regarding the same. Remember, Election Commission of India had also doubled down its attack on Rahul Gandhi a few days ago, saying that Rahul must sign a declaration, or if he cannot back his claims, does not have proofs, then he must go ahead and apologize to the entire nation. All right, viewers, shifting our focus. Pakistan Army Chief Asim Munir issues a nuclear threat to half